We are finished at Superstore now and I'm going to take you guys home. I'm going to make some breakfast. I worked out legs this morning super early because I wanted to get to Superstore for an early time. I love waking up early on my days off and I love getting my workout over and done with because it feels so good to be like the first thing in your day, and I forgot how much I loved morning workouts. So let's go home. I know what you're about to say. Kayla, you're using plastic bags. I will be making the switch away from plastic bags. I just like to use them because the garbage can underneath our sink needs bags, and those are the perfect fit, so I always use them for garbage bags. So it's not like I'm not using them again. Welcome to the video, guys. I'm going to be showing you guys a full day of eating. Last time I showed you guys I was eating about 2,500 calories. Today I'm going to be eating 3,200 calories. This morning I went to the gym about 4:15 and I hit some legs. I did some good stretching. I did some good warm-ups. It was really awesome. I don't have any video footage of that because let's be real, I look like crap. It was super early in the morning. I didn't want to film. Just wanted to get it done, and it was such a good workout. This video is just going to show you guys what I picked up from the grocery store because as of Monday morning, I'm going to be starting my cut, but I don't really want to call it a cut. I just want to remove some calories from my diet for a little while, see if I can lose some weight. So I'm going to show you guys all of the groceries we got, but first I'm going to make some breakfast. Then I'm going to get ready. Then I'll show you guys the groceries, and then we'll go on from there. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Usually I only have a coffee around this time. This breakfast is my absolute favorite. During this bulk, I wanted to get to a healthy mental state where I wasn't saying this food was bad, this food was good. Examples of good foods would be like bananas, chicken, salads. Examples of bad food would be like fast food, McDonald's, burgers, fries. When you think about macros and you think about counting calories, you have to do what's best for you and you have to do what's best for your body. And personally for me, what's best for me is making sure that I hit that calorie goal. It almost makes people cheat more on their diet when they say, oh, okay, I can only have rice, chicken, veggies over here, and all the bad foods I can't have. When those people go eat their meals during the day, if they want to cheat, they're more likely to derail themselves from their good foods and jump right into eating their unhealthy foods. And that's mostly how people fall off their diets, because they don't want to just eat the good food. They want to have a little mix of both. And that's where life and balance comes into play. That was most important for me in this bulk, because I hadn't been able to get my calories that high in like 5 years. I've actually never been up to 3,000 calories before. My goal for this cut is just to make sure that I'm getting all of my macros in. I'm going to increase my protein because protein was something that I was really struggling with. When I was in that diet phase a lot, I did eat a lot of chicken and it was really hard to get protein down and I did not like it. I was not a fan. I am so excited to get started because this is the first like controlled bulk I have ever had, and I could not be more excited about how it turned out. The first thing that we're going to talk about in this grocery haul is this new silk coconut milk. I am a huge drinker of almond milk. It's such low calorie, especially the one at Starbucks. I always get every morning beverage made with almond milk. It's so good, but I also know that it's also extremely unhealthy for the environment. It takes a lot of water to produce almond milk, so I'm going to be making the switch, but decided to start with this silk coconut milk. It only has 80 calories per cup, 7 grams of carbs, 0 protein, and 5 fats. So that's the first purchase. So let's talk about this Nutella for a second. I love Nutella. 1 tablespoon is 19 grams. It has about 100 calories, 6 fats, 11 carbs, and 1 gram of protein. I usually have between 1 to 2 snacks of oatmeal a day just because I love oatmeal so much. It's literally the best way to wake up in a day. I love it so much. That was the next thing I picked up because I have a really big family pack that I have for home, and then I'm going to take this one to work with me because just leave it on my desk and then I could just get it when I need it for my oatmeal. So got some extra Nutella. The next thing that I picked up are these bananas. So I always get like a stack of green ones so that they take a longer time to ripen, and then these ones just for every day. Devin is also on a meal plan with his coach that he's been training with, so he eats a lot of Greek yogurt and bananas, and he's the reason why I started eating oatmeal. There are always those carbs that you stay away from: oatmeal, pastas, bread. I've been slowly incorporating more oatmeal, more bagels into my diet, started eating more oatmeal, more bananas. I love bananas. I just love all fruit, actually. Fruits are so damn good for you. They're so good. The snacks that I usually have during the day are grapes. I love grapes. Love them so much, except in Canada, in the winter time. It is not the season for like grapes, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, so everything is so freaking expensive. Anytime that they're on sale, I snatch them up real fast. These are on sale for about $4, so I bought 2 of them. I am always fearful though that I'm gonna open them and a black widow spider is gonna come crawling out, because when I was little, there was a case here where somebody had opened their grapes and there was a spider in them. A black widow spider. Hadn't eaten grapes for about a year after I heard that story, because I was like, I'm not gonna die because a spider jumps out and kills me. It's not happening. The next thing on my grocery list were these bag salads. I love Joel's bag salads. And for about 450 calories for the entire bag, you add some chicken in them, you add some meat, whatever you want, extra dressing. You can add anything to these and they taste amazing. My favorite kinds right now are the sesame ginger and the sunflower bacon crunch. They are so good. I was also on a pita kick for a little while there, and I used to mix these up, add the chicken, and then kind of just stuff it into the pita and eat it that way. So these are really good options to take just if you're on the go. I haven't really gotten into the full swing of like totally meal prepping my meals out and stuff. For now, these salads are really good. I eat them like for dinner, for lunch, as a snack. They fill me up so much, and I love also pairing them with chicken. Can't complain about these salads. Can't complain. Forgot to add to my grocery haul these delicious cheese buns. I probably eat about 1 or 2 cheese buns a day depending on how I'm feeling. They only got 280 calories per bun, about 43 grams of carbs, so that is kind of up there, 7 grams of fat, and then 12 protein. So they do have quite a bit of protein in them. It's probably from the cheese. I usually cut one of these in half. I put broil on in the oven, put it in there. It gets a little toasty on top. The cheese melts a little bit. And then I take some low-calorie mayo, some turkey bacon strips, cook up some eggs. I mush them out together, put some mayo in there, add the turkey bacon. It is incredible. They're just so good. They're so good. Some turkey bacon. I don't know about you, but I've never been a bacon fan. I just think bacon has too much grease on it. Every time I eat it, my whole stomach area just feels very greasy. We're eating some turkey bacon. It's so good. It's so good for you. 1 slice is 35 calories. It has about 5 grams of protein. Last things that I picked up at the grocery store were the spring mix. I'm just gonna mix in with like sandwiches and stuff. And then I got some chicken. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with this yet. Not sure I'm ready to eat a lot of chicken, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna get it done. So I'm probably gonna make some chicken sandwiches with this. Thinking about making some in the crock pot. Make some pulled chicken, and then I can like separate it and kind of add it to things. I think I broke one, maybe. We're probably gonna go through this by like, I don't know, Monday? It's Thursday today. Probably have these all done by Monday, so I'll have to pick up some more groceries. But yeah, things are getting pretty freaking serious. It's a little after lunchtime now, and I'm just making some cookies for somebody at work because she mentioned that she wanted some pink baked goods. So I decided to make her some cookies. So we had our oatmeal, we had some protein, and now I'm gonna add some more protein in. I'm gonna have some eggs, gonna make a sandwich, the one I was talking about that I usually have for dinner, because I'm gonna go play bingo with my grandma, my sister, my mom later. Knowing that I'm going to be out later than usual, I'm gonna kind of stock up now, kind of make meals now, and then when I'm there, I'll be able to like just kind of snack on something real fast before coming home. I'm thinking though, since I'm going to the mall and I'm gonna go play bingo, I might pick up Subway for dinner. Last time I was there, I had this delicious avocado wrap. They have like a wrap now that they grill. It is unreal. It's unreal. All right, I'm gonna eat this, watch some YouTube videos, and I'll see you guys for my snack. See you in a bit. Woo! That day I also ran to Costco and picked up these protein bars. They have 20 grams of protein in them. I have about 1 to 2 of these a day. Come in 3 different flavors. The macros are also really incredible for them. I went to Subway with my family when I went to bingo with them, and I picked up a turkey guac wrap. It was amazing. Hey guys, it's about 8 p.m. right now. I went to the bingo hall with my family. I only have about 400 calories left because I did have some snacks. At bingo, I had some like Tim Tam chocolate covered thing and some like almost like a Bounty bar, but it wasn't. It was like a cookie and had coconut and chocolate. That's almost it for my macros, but I am gonna have some cereal. I'm going to have some Frosted Flakes, some almond chocolate milk. The macros are pretty awesome on this bad boy. And if I run out, use coconut milk. I got some coconut dream milk. Good morning! Today I'm going to do my first check-in of this bulk because I haven't taken any photos or anything like that. I just weighed myself, so I just want to get a realistic picture of what I look like. So I'm going to show you guys. Of course, I didn't record a real ending to this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really does help support me and my channel. And I will see you guys on the next one.